Now let us apply AC signal to the input of this amplifier and let us see what kind of output we get. As we have seen that this amplifier is working on 10 volt DC. It is the power supply voltage of the amplifier. AC signal to be applied to the input of the amplifier can be obtained from a signal source. So here let us adjust the input frequency to be 1000 Hz and then the input voltage to be of 40 millivolts. So we are applying input signal of peak to peak amplitude 40 millivolts to the input of the amplifier, and we can observe the output on the oscilloscope. So this is what the oscilloscope shows. You can see here that the channel 1 shows the input signal, whereas channel 2 shows the output signal. Both the channels are now operating on the same scale, that is 1 volt per division. 1 volt per division. So you can see the relative amplitudes of the input and output signals. You can see that the output signal is much amplified as compared to the input signal. Now let us make the measurement of the peak to peak amplitude of the input signal and output signal so that we can calculate the gain of the amplifier. For this, first of all, let us measure the amplitude of the input signal. I will change the scale for the purpose of measurement. So now for the input signal, you can see it is almost 2 divisions, peak to peak 2 divisions. The scale of channel 1 is 20 millivolt per division, and therefore the input signal is obviously 20 into 2, that is 40 millivolts peak to peak. Let's measure the peak to peak amplitude of the output signal. Output signal is on channel 2. So if you measure the peak to peak amplitude, you can see that this is accommodated into 1, 2, 3 and 4 divisions. Let us measure the amplitude, peak to peak amplitude of the output signal. You can see that it is 4 divisions. The channel 2 is operating on scale 1 volt per division. Therefore, the output is 4 volts peak to peak. So we can make the calculation for the gain, and it shows that the voltage gain, which is defined as output voltage upon input voltage, is equal to 4 volt peak to peak divided by 40 millivolt peak to peak. That gives you the gain of 100. It means that your amplifier is amplifying the input signal 100 times. That is the AC gain of this amplifier. One more thing which we can see immediately here is that the two signals, input and output, are not in phase with each other. Okay, you can see the phase relationship between the two. This is the input signal, this is the output signal. You can see that the output signal is out of phase with respect to input signal by 180 degree. The trough of input signal matches with the crest of the output signal. So it's a property of a single stage C amplifier that the output signal is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input.